RIMS Director G. Sunil Kumar Sharma highlighted the medical institute's achievements in plastic surgery, noting that its facilities serve patients from neighbouring countries as well. He was speaking at World Plastic Surgery Day 2026 in the Anesthesia Seminar Hall within the RIMS Modular OT Complex with the theme Restore Life After Burns. The event, organized by Department of Plastic Surgery RIMS under the sponsorship of Rotary Club of Imphal, was also joined by several key dignitaries, including RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sajib, Dean of Academics Professor L. Rajesh, and Rotary Club of Imphal President and Muhindru. During the event, Director Sunil Kumar announced plans to provide free operative treatment for post-burn deformities. He further stressed the difference between plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery, noting that plastic surgery offers a new lease on life to those disabled by burn injuries by repairing and restoring normal body function, unlike cosmetic surgery, which focuses purely on aesthetic enhancement. The director stated that the institution is planning a scheme to provide free hand transplant surgeries to citizens below the poverty line. He added that the initiative is being developed in consultation with Professor Dr. Akoijam Ibohal, head of the Department of Plastic Surgery.
We have disfigure hand and put a life and put it to transplant. We will give the full support. How we can start this hand transplant will be very unique. The quality of work we are doing. Publicness who may check tuna. Subsequently, contractual lakpa disfigure Kamina Madu Tenga and Banat prevent Rimski experts in Tanaraga, like the Tulaka complications to avoid Tongo the public, Aduga Mayamna Kamani information, Pini Habisi, Timsina, Ganapodabamachani. The rims of Ragadi plastic surgery when the safe Jagani, Habasima Itam Jagi.